In the modern battlefield, speed, intelligence, and adaptability define victory.
Keep moving, stay alert!
When it's time to act, every second counts. With a single command, the mission begins. Storage flaps open. Autonomous drones launch, each assigned its own sector in a precision-divided mission grid. Artificial intelligence detects and tracks vehicles, personnel, and other threats in real time, delivering instant intelligence to the commander in the field. Plan, control, and coordinate multiple drones from a single mobile command platform. And tomorrow's battlefield will demand adaptability, with planned in-field production of drones using 3D printing technology. Drones scan the landscape in perfect coordination. The operator puts on VR goggles and enters a first-person view, inspecting the terrain with unmatched precision. In the near future, our airborne units will deploy autonomous ground scouts extending reconnaissance beyond the air into the most concealed and hostile terrain. Advanced AI drone systems. Smarter, faster, always ready.